sure you've seen this picture. But this isn't the full story. I have footage that proves that this isn't what all beaches look like in the county of Orange, and I need your help to get this message and get this footage to Governor Gavin Newsom. So please share this video, like this video, leave a comment on this video, so together we can get this footage to the governor, and I'm hoping this footage will give him a clearer idea of what the situation is really like in the county of Orange. All right, let's go to the footage right now. Check it out. So the last 3 clips, I left a timestamp to prove when I took this footage. Anyways, I know times are tough, times are crazy. I think us Californians can use the beach responsibly as long as we maintain our social distancing. So anyway, thank you guys so much for getting this message out, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day.